welcome back to Red Ted Art. Today we're going to make origami chickens using just paper and a pen to draw the eye. No glue, no cutting. Super easy, super fun. So yeah, let's take a look and see how these cuties are made. To make one chicken, you need 2 sheets of a square white paper. This is roughly 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. You need 1 sheet of yellow paper, which is actually a quarter of this one. So it's half. So if that's 15, this is 7.5. And then you need 2 little ones, which are a quarter again. So if this is 7.5, this is about 3.5, very roughly. And yeah, 2 of those, 1 of these, 1 of these. And the first thing we're going to do is make our first triangle. They're all the same, just different sizes. Turn it around so you've got a diamond. Bring one forward up. This is actually quite similar to our bookmarks. Bring another fold up. And another fold up. So you now have a new diamond. Turn it round and bring the flap down. So this is different to our bookmarks. And now bring the triangle down and repeat for the other side. Now this is the key bit. You can fold it this way, which is wrong, or you can fold it inwards, which is right. When you fold it inwards, it creates this kind of pocket. So make sure that when you do the next fold around its center, it's where the flaps are, so inwards. And now you've made one of these triangles. So you need to make another white one, another yellow one, and 2 small ones. Now the small ones will be a little bit fiddly, but by the time you've done the 3 other ones, you will have practice and hopefully it will be a little bit easier. So I'll get those making now and then we'll assemble our little chicken. So we have 1 triangle, 2 triangles, 3, 4 and 5. To make your chicken's body, you take the 2 pieces and insert them into each other. And just give them a little nudge. So you've got the body done. Now you take the beak, and again you've got the 2 flappy bits, and you insert it again. There we go. It's like a little duck now, isn't it? And to turn it into a chick, again, you take your flappy bits and push it in, and the same, this time pointing that way, and just nudge it into to secure it. Your basic chicken is finished. And then all you need to do is add a little face. Now, you don't have to glue the pieces in place. They should stay. It's quite stiff. But if you want to add a little bit of glue stick, then why not? It does, you know, just secure them a little bit. And then if you want, you can create a little family. So just experiment with different size papers and see what works for you. But yeah, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Above all, keep watching, keep making. I'd love to see you here again soon. Take care. Bye.